Before you start using technical indicators, you should learn these 4 important secrets. In this video, we'll discuss common mistakes that traders make applying technical indicators, and I will share with you the essential tips that will help you to improve your trading with technical indicators. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Do not overload your chart with technical indicators. For some unknown reason, many traders believe that the more technical indicators they apply, the better. Traders may even apply dozens of technical indicators at once, arguing that they all are essential. Please realize the fact that in trading, price action is the key. You should always start with trend analysis, key levels analysis, and with so many technical indicators on your chart, it will be very complicated to identify important support and resistances. It will be very complicated to spot a valid signal because there are so many things right here, so many things that really distract. So I strongly believe that a naked chart with just 1 or 2 technical indicators is more than enough to make accurate predictions and to identify profitable trading setups. Please do not overload your chart and try to keep it as clean as possible. Use separate chart layouts. If you strongly believe that you need to have a lot of indicators on your chart, I strongly recommend to apply separate layouts for different indicators. Here's the example of a comprehensive chart analysis. On the top left, key levels identification with price action. On the top right, moving averages analysis. Traders learn technical analysis in my premium group. For more info, check the link in the description below. On the bottom left, RSI divergence, overbought and oversold conditions analysis. And on the bottom right, volume analysis with volume profile. When you analyze price action indicators, key levels separately, it helps you avoid missing important details. Learn what exactly the technical indicator shows. You should make sense of the data from the technical indicator. Understanding the logic of its algorithm is essential. For example, if you apply a volume profile indicator, you should know that the bars that the indicator shows are not just the places where you should buy or sell the market. Instead, the big bars will indicate the so-called high volume nodes, the areas where huge volumes were traded. At the same time, small bars will indicate the low volume nodes, the levels where the activity of the market participants was very low. Such a deep understanding of the indicator will make your analysis consistent and objective. Apply the technical indicators that complement each other. Many technical indicators are based on very similar algorithms. For that reason, such indicators can provide very similar signals. For example, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Stochastic Oscillator both provide the insights into the overbought and oversold conditions of the market. For that reason, both indicators will leave very similar clues and provide very similar signals. Application of them too will simply overload your chart, not providing any extra benefit. Apply the technical indicators that are based on different algorithms. They should complement each other, and when very different indicators give you a strong bullish signal, such a signal will be much stronger than the signal from similar technical indicators. For example, you can apply a combination of volume profile indicator and moving averages. Once the price is approaching a high volume node, you can rely on the crossover of 2 moving averages as a confirmation. In that particular case, that high volume node is a key support, and the crossover of these 2 moving averages gives us a strong bullish confirmation. Always remember that technical indicators will not do the work for you. Your task as a trader is to learn to combine technical indicators with some other technical tools or the fundamentals to build a solid trading strategy. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.